time. It's the most exciting game for me personally on the stage.
Wiedźmin, to jestem ja. To są ludzie z czatu. Godzina 2:17 w nocy. Doczekaliśmy się. 6 godzinach prawie.
Whatever, I might take yours later. So, how did yesterday go then?
I patrzymy, co nam panowie powiedzą w tym momencie. Ciekawe. Menu, Boże, Jezu, jest nowe. Ładnie, bagna. Wyglądają jak bagna z jedynki. Piękne. Cudowne. Pan mówi, że duży obszar. Ziemia niczyja.
Geralt is looking for a certain person, an ashen-haired girl. I think it's pretty safe to talk about her this series. And we're looking for a small childlike creature in the swamps. So we are going to use our Witcher senses to look for traces, possible traces of this small creature.
Pan teraz namierza po śladach krwi. Geralt ma wyczulone zmysły.
All sorts of things leading to any prey Geralt might have. And here we have stumbled upon some smallish footprints. So we're going to follow them.
Geralt mówi w języku dzikusów z wysp, niestety anglosaskich. Ale cóż. A cóż to? Czat rzeczy, że to golum. Smigol. Żadny strasznie zgęby. Nie godo nic. Mało wygadany, wyjątkowo. Albo no bo nie może. Ciekawe. Tym razem Geralt ma nawet mimikę twarzy w przeciwieństwie do drugiej części. Teselowana szrama na głowie.
So Johnny apparently wants us to help him regain his voice, and since it's information we're looking for, it makes a lot of sense to follow him. So let's follow wherever he's taking us through the swamps. It's a really nice place.
Ale czy to są te bagna z jedynki? Przepraszam. Czy one są takie podobne bardzo? To wyglądają prawie identycznie jak te z jedynki. Są utopce, inne ohydy. A tu utopce akurat.
Whenever a nearby village or city guards want to get rid of bodies, they mostly dump them in the swamps. It's the easiest way to get rid of them.
Brzozy,
and some of these bodies come back as these
polskie nasze.
Again called drowners. They pester travelers and adventurers like us, but we came prepared, as you saw. Alright, so let's follow Johnny.
Obstawiam, że panowie grają raczej na PC-cie z padem od Xboxa. Chyba że grają na Xboxie One, no ale nie chce mi się wierzyć. Ładnie ruszają się paprotki pod nogami. Ptoki Hitchcocka. Brutalnie wyciszono grę.
Alright, so I think we really don't want to spoil the whole story for your audience, because we still have an entire game to spare for you. So
powiedzcie, że tu skończą. A, łażą.
We have refined combat a lot. It's very tactical.
Jezu, jak to pięknie wygląda, o Boże. Cudowne. Bieda grołby. 13 na 10. Piękne to jest.
And the combat is likewise very approachable. So it's you know, easy to learn, hard to master. There's a lot of depth to it.
Easy to
There's
learn,
a bunch
hard
of
to
combat
master.
animation that makes it really fluid. It's really enjoyable. There's a lot to do here.
So is it similar to the combat in Witcher 2, or have you just tweaked it slightly? Or I mean, like, how similar are they?
But it's been refined a lot.
Okay, okay.
Walka podobna do tej dwójki, ale przypakowana.
Dodging around, because I remember, for me, that's certainly only the best way I've found a victory in many battles was to make sure I counted, to make sure I jumped out the way a lot. Because it's still that kind of, you can't take many hits, you need to be careful about how you play.
There's a bunch of that, and of course there's a lot of emphasis on sign usage.
Nie chcemy widzieć brodacza, chcemy ładny gameplay.